My name is Dr. Annie Sayers. I'm a physician at UK Hospital. I have a BA in English and a BS in biology. I think reading and writing is essential for almost any career that you do these days, and quite a bit of what I do, especially in an academic setting as a physician, is reading journal articles, reading textbook chapters, and certainly helping the residents to write papers and present posters at conferences. I would take the science classes and be very technical and lots of math. And then I sort of enjoyed having the other aspect of literature and having things to read, because it sort of pulled things back to what life is really about. Not just sodium and chloride and a cell and a nucleus, but also kind of how we put things together in life. And I sort of feel like that was a very good way to go about getting to this path, because not only did I get to learn about the science of being a human, but I got to learn about sort of the human condition and how to get through strife, what people go through. Because if you read really all the really good literature, that's what it's about. It's about the struggles that people go through in life and how to get through them. I know it also kind of improved my communication skills, because there's certain classes that you have to take as part of the English major that deal with communication in small groups, and that actually really helped me to perform my job. So having seen a broad array of different kinds of classes that I did when I was in the College of Arts and Sciences helps me to be more adaptable to deal with medical students, residents, patients, pharmacists, nurses. So I guess some of the stereotypes that I would associate with an English major that I think I don't have, but I think that other people have, is that we're nerdy, or we're quiet, or we're backwards, or we're overly romantic. And I think we are not at all boring and quiet like people think. In fact, we have bigger imaginations and big hearts. You need to follow your passion to some extent. If you just try to gun for the job, you are never going to be happy, because just a job isn't really what life is about. You really need to try to tailor your life to include something it is that you love. And so if English and literature is what you love, you need to find a way to kind of incorporate that. A lot of what we do isn't just, telling people to take an antibiotic or treating their blood pressure, but really curing the mind-body, because, we aren't just a biological creature. We have a mind and a heart and a soul. I definitely feel like from reading and seeing characters in literature, and it helps me kind of understand better the human condition. So, I think there's multiple pathways. Quite clearly, I didn't take the pathway that people would think that an English major would take. Anything that you really put your mind to, you can do if you work hard.